Once again, welcome to Ojaank Times with a big update. Olympian wrestlers Vinesh Phogat and Bajrang Punia joined the Congress Party, a strategic move ahead of the Haryana Assembly polls in October 2024, signaling a new political chapter. Vinesh Phogat, the first woman wrestler to reach the Olympics final, and Bajrang Punia, a Tokyo Games bronze medalist, are warmly welcomed by Congress President Malik Arjun. Their entry into politics could strategically boost Congress in Haryana, leveraging athletes' popularity to gain political traction and attract younger voters. Key events include meetings with Rahul Gandhi and Congress President Malik Arjun, Phogat's resignation from Indian Railways, and the crucial voting date of October 5, 2024. Vinesh Phogat and Bajrang Punia have made significant marks in wrestling, with Phogat reaching the Olympics final and Punia earning a bronze at the Tokyo Games. In 2023, wrestlers protested against sexual harassment by former BJP MP and WFI chief Brij Bhushan Singh, highlighting serious issues in sports administration. The Congress Party aims to boost its image by recruiting popular athletes, focusing on Haryana, and leveraging their influence to attract voters in crucial states. The Haryana Assembly elections on October 5, 2024 involve 90 seats, with key contestants being Congress, BJP and AAP, and counting scheduled for October 8, 2024. Congress and AAP are engaged in strategic seat-sharing negotiations for the Haryana polls, aiming for a strong opposition alliance against the BJP. The wrestlers' political entry could bring increased attention to athletes' issues and representation in politics, but may also lead to the politicization of sports administration. Public perception is mixed, with sports enthusiasts hopeful for positive changes in sports administration, while political analysts discuss potential impacts on Haryana's elections. The wrestlers' political involvement could lead to long-term political careers, reforms in sports governance, influence on youth voting patterns, and enhance Congress's image as athlete supportive. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and press the red bell icon to stay updated daily. To get free study material and PDF content, join us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram and WhatsApp.